My mom's telling me the mall is closed. Well, as I'm sure you saw from the last video, I was bitching about the snow and the ice. We haven't gotten any snow yet, thank God, but are we supposed to get snow? We're supposed to get more ice. But I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys. I'm not sure how good it'll look, but oh, I'm gonna fall. Um, if you can see that, that tree is completely covered in ice. That power line's completely covered in ice. All that, literally everything is covered in ice. I'm gonna go around front and see what there is to show. My mom checking closings and shit. She ain't gotta work today. She's cool. She's happy about it. Oh yeah, check this out. I'm gonna try not to fall. Yeah. That's crazy shit, right? Completely covered in ice. It's cool, but it's fucking cold. There's that tree too that is completely covered in ice. Everything is covered in ice. Like, everything is closed down. All the schools are closed. Almost every business is closed. And shit's going down. Hit the fan!